Hello everyone! Hello po sa inyong lahat. I bought this glue gun for my project, for my crochet project, para po sa aking gansilyo na gagawin po. Ayan. I bought this glue gun in the art section of the store, or you can find it also in any hardware or any stores that has a tools for fixing some stuff. This glue gun has a cord. Meron po siyang cord na ipa-plug po sa electricity. So, I find it more easily to use. So, mas easy po siya kasi ipa-plug ko na lang tapos may glue na po siya. It has already a glue stick when I bought this glue gun. So, meron po siyang aluminum stand. Ayan, yung aluminum stand, ilalagay nyo lang po doon sa harap ng glue gun. Ayan, for you to help you to stand. Para po ma-stand po siya doon sa table kung may gagawin po kayong maramihan po na gagawin nyo po. So, this glue gun, I use this for my project for magnet para po sa refrigerator. Ayan, para ano po siya, safe po na talagang mag-glue talaga siya sa inyong project. So, this glue gun is, for me, it's more convenient and easy to use, and it will glue well on your project. So, ayan, ipa-plug lang po natin sa electricity yung ating glue gun. And then, you will need to wait for like 2 minutes para po uminit. To be heated, you will need to wait for 2 minutes para po ma-heated po siya. And then, you can put it on, you can pop it on the hole of your gun. So, you just do like this and wait for 2 minutes to be heated. And once it's heated, you need to be careful when you have children around your house or on your table. So, once it's hot, mainit po talaga siya. It's hot. So, you need to be careful around children or anyone around you. So, that's it. That's the reason why I bought this glue gun for my project. As you can see, meron po akong tutorial na meron po siyang square head na amigurumi. So, this is the reason why I bought this glue gun, for me to stick the magnet on my project. So, I'm using like this in the back of the head of my amigurumi. The price of this glue gun is around 10 euro. 10 euro po siya, or mga 550 pesos sa Philippine money. And I put this glue magnet on the glue. Pop it on the glue, and voila, you just need to wait like this. So, this is the reason why I bought this glue gun. So, guys, if you want to check it out, my video on amigurumi head, square head, you can use it. You can watch it, and then you can buy a glue gun for you to put this. You can also do on your own crochet head. Kahit anong gusto nyong head na ilalagay nyo. Yan, para lang sa magnet nyo. Ayan, ganito lang po ang paggamit ng glue gun. Ayan, for me, it's more convenient to use this one. So, pag lagyan nyo po yung table nyo ng glue gun, i-wait nyo lang po na mag-dry siya para po ay tanggalin nyo lang yung glue. Ayan, ganito po siya. Madali lang po siyang gamitin. Ayan. Mag-ingat lang po kayo kasi pag mainit talaga siya. Lalo na yung dulo na yan. Yan ang mainit. So, that's the reason kung bakit ko binili ito. Ayan, wait lang po. Talagang nagsistick talaga siya. It will stick very well on your project. Especially sa mga yarn. Kasi ito. So, yan na po siya. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And see you again next time. Bye-bye!